Let's take a look at a popular metric used for value companies, price-earnings ratio, also known as PE ratio. The PE ratio is very important in analyzing a potential stock investment because it's one of the most widely regarded metrics of a company's value. It helps one determine whether a stock is overvalued or undervalued, as a high PE is widely regarded to show that a company's stock is overvalued, or that investors are expecting high growth rates in the future. A company's PE can also be compared against other stocks in the same industry or against the broader market, such as the S&P 500. The P in PE stands for the stock's current price, and the E for earnings per share. Earnings per share is another popular term you hear when talking about a company's earnings. The EPS is calculated as a company's profit divided by the outstanding shares. The resulting number serves as an indicator of a company's profitability. Okay, back to PE ratio. The PE ratio is calculated by dividing the share price of a company by its earnings per share. For example, if the price of a share is $10 and the earnings per share is $1, then the PE ratio is 10. If the stock price goes up to $35 per share and the earnings are unchanged, then the PE is 35. The higher the PE, the more you're paying for a company's earnings. There are two types of PE ratio. Trailing PE. This PE is most frequently quoted because it deals with existing data. The trailing PE uses the most recent 12 months of earnings in its calculation. And forward PE. This PE is based on projections or expectations of earnings in the coming 12-month period. Although this PE may seem preferable because it looks into the near future, it's still considered an estimate that may or may not prove to be accurate. Looking at the PE ratio offers a shortcut for investors asking the question, is this company overvalued? As a general rule, the lower the PE, the safer the stock is. The reverse is more noteworthy. The higher the PE, the greater the risk. Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with your friends to share the gospel of the stock market with everyone.